Hello guys, today I will be teaching you how to change the colors in your levels in Geometry Dash. So let's get started. First press the build button, then press create, press new, then press the build button, then press the BG here in the corner, and then press COL for color. Then place it wherever you want. I mostly place it in the start or here. And then you press edit object. Then pick any color you want. I pick red. I'll choose red. And then the one in the center here inside is to make it light or dark. So I make it like a dark red because red is my favorite color. Then the fade time. The fade time, you could put it up however you want. I mostly put it on 0, then it'll show up the color immediately. Then press the color ID. There's a plus button in the corner. Then press BG. Then it should work now. Then press OK. Then press save and play. It should work. There you have it. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.